Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today we are going to make strawberry fruit pops. You will need strawberries, some sort of fruit juice, and some little bathroom cups, little paper cups. Let's get started. First, you need to wash your strawberries. After you have washed your strawberries, you will take a little knife, little paring knife, and you're going to basically cut out the root of that stem out of your strawberry. Once you have removed it, get a straw, or if you have popsicle sticks, you can use popsicle sticks. Cut your straw. Now take the straw and you're going to put it right where you cut out that part of the stem, and you're going to push this not all the way through, but just part of the way through, because this is going to be where you hold your popsicle. Get a little cup, put your strawberry inside the cup. You would like to use some plastic wrap. Grab a little plastic wrap. You cut off a square. This looks more like a rectangle, but that's okay. This is going to be used to hold the straw into place. So I'm going to put a little mark there in the middle. Okay, I'm going to set this aside for now. And you get a fruit punch. You can use fruit punch, you can use lemonade, whatever you want. I'm going to use fruit punch because I'm making a fruity popsicle, and I pour it inside until the strawberry is covered. Now the plastic that I prepared earlier with the little hole, I'm going to put the straw, I'm going to insert the straw into that little hole that I made. Okay, and here you can just place your fruit, the strawberry, where you want it, and to hold it into place, I have these little rubber bands here. Okay, if you don't have rubber bands, you can use tape if you want. I used the rubber band, to hold the plastic into place. There we go. Right. Let's see, and I readjust it the way that I want it. Then I put it in the freezer. Depending on how cold your freezer is, I would say do it overnight. That way you are sure that everything is frozen and you'll have these cute little fruit pops. Now let's see what this looks like when it's done. After being in the freezer overnight, you gently remove the plastic and the rubber band. You can use the rubber band again another time. You take the cup, hold onto your stick, turn it over, press it. Woo! That looks good. And there you have a semi-healthy treat. And you know what? Your kids and their friends will love it. Uh-oh. Well, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions about this, leave them down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Until next time.